In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Mitsubishi Mirage key fob. This whole process is very easy to do. You can do it yourself at home. You do not need to bring your key to a dealership to get the battery changed. The whole thing will take you under 5 minutes, and all you will need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries, go check the link that I have left in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. Now getting right into it, if you look on the bottom of your key fob, you can see right in the middle there, right along the seam, there is a slot. We're just going to take the flathead, insert it in there, and holding the device loosely, just twist the screwdriver. Twist until it cracks open, and then you can just pull it apart, and now we have access to the battery. If you look up on the top right here, you can see there's an opening. We're just going to take the same flathead screwdriver, push it down to the bottom, and pry the battery out gently. And once it's starting to come out, you just want to slide it out as to not break these two tabs. Don't just keep prying, just get it out a little bit. Well, you can just pop it out too, but just to be careful, I like to pull it out. So now you can dispose of your old battery, take your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in there, make sure you put the positive side facing up. So you want to slide it down first under these two tabs that will hold it in place, and then just click in the other side, and it will sit down in there nicely. And all that's left to do is just line up these two halves of the device and squeeze it back together. And if you'd like to verify that you did everything correctly and that your battery has juice in it, just make sure that light comes on for you. And if it does, that means you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments, because we love to hear your feedback. And you can also let me know just by giving the video a like. And remember, if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can always come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. You can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.